Today, I'm going to teach you guys how to make any of your footage look like an old vintage movie. So now let's go into Final Cut Pro and see how it's done. Okay, first select the clip that you want to use. By the way, just as a side note, the clip that you decide to use is quite important too, to make this vintage look more convincing. So always try to exclude anything in the frame that may give it away that it was shot in a modern period. But you don't have to follow this rule strictly, unless you really want it to look like it was authentically shot in the past. Okay, so now place the clip onto the timeline and as usual trim the clip appropriately. Once you've done that, go to the filter section tab on the right and select the 50s TV look and drag and drop it onto the clip. Adjust the exposure of the clip accordingly. If it's too overexposed, bring the exposure down a little. Now go to the filter section again and select the projective filter and place it onto the clip. Adjust the value of the filter according to what fits your taste. However, I would suggest not putting it too high as the clip may look too shaky and a little distracting for your audience to see any details in the clip. So keep adjusting the footage until you get to a desired look that you would like it to have. Now to finish up the look, go to the filter section and drag and drop the vignette filter to make it look even more like it was shot on an old vintage cinema camera. And that's it! You have just made yourself a vintage looking clip without having to do much at all. Anyway, thanks for tuning in to Q-Tips. Please do leave me your comments in the comment section below. And if you did enjoy this quick tip, please don't forget to give me a like, share and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next Q-Tips.